In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Forms to Discord. We'll use Zapier to bridge the gap so every new Google Form response can automatically post into a Discord channel. Start by opening your browser and heading to zapier.com. If you don't already have an account, create one, it's quick, and then sign in so you can build your automation. Create a new Zap. Think of a Zap as a simple recipe. A trigger happens, then an action follows. We'll set Google Forms as the trigger and Discord as the action. Click the trigger section. In the app search bar, type Google Forms and select it. Next, choose the trigger event that best fits your setup. Many people use a new form response event. If your form responses are stored in a Google Sheet, you may be prompted to identify the specific spreadsheet and worksheet that holds those submissions. Sign into your Google account and grant Zapier permission to access your forms. Make sure you're using the account that owns or has access to the form you want to monitor. After connecting, select the exact form or the response sheet so Zapier knows where to listen for new entries. Test the trigger. Zapier will look for a recent response to pull in as a sample. If it doesn't find one, submit a quick test entry to your form, then run the test again. Seeing the form fields come through here is important because you'll map those fields into your Discord message later. Move to the action section, search for Discord and select it. Zapier can perform several tasks in Discord, but the most common choice is sending a channel message whenever a new form response arrives. Pick the action event that posts a message to a channel. You'll then sign in to your Discord account and authorize Zapier. You'll be asked to choose the server and channel where messages should appear. If you don't see your server, make sure you have the right permissions and that Zapier has been allowed access. Customize your message. Use the data from the Google Forms trigger to fill in details like the responder's answers, timestamps, or any fields you care about. Add clear labels so the message is easy to read in Discord, and consider including a link back to the form or the response sheet for quick follow-up. Finally, test the action. Zapier will send a sample message to the selected Discord channel. Check the channel to confirm the formatting and content look right. If something needs tweaking, adjust the fields and test again. Once your test looks good, your Google Forms to Discord connection is ready to run automatically.